Hey guys, how's it going? This is a page I did for Chris. He's the founder of Midlife Fitness. He's a personal trainer and a fitness coach. I was actually a client of his, and then he needed help with his landing page. So that's where I came in and just built the structure out, and it's looking much better than before. So to start off, we got a VSL, which is really good. His header is basically just stating the unique value proposition right in there. We got a header, here's subheader stating how he does it. Then we got the CTA, and then here we just got more benefits, just a nice way, just ticker to add more benefits. Just people get more benefits before even going down the flow. It was an idea I got from some e-commerce pages where they'll usually have bullets, but I didn't want to sacrifice any space on this, so having it just right down there worked out well. And then for here, we get into testimonials. So he's had a lot of clients. As you can see, my testimonial for him. He's had some others as well. And then right into here, we get into the benefits. So just easily, what are the benefits, the services he provides? Adding some little animated icons here just makes the page pop a little bit more. Photo of the gym, he offers a very custom program to people. He's been in the game for many years. You can take it anywhere. He has an accompanying phone app, all access. You have 24-hour access to him. Book a, CTA repeated here. Here we got some stats. Stats are really good to just get more information very quickly to your clients, to your prospects. Just quantify things. People love when you can just quantify the value of your experience, your expertise to them. Next, we got the process. So very simply, he's got a 3-step process. Put it here, very nice and simple. That's it. Perks, we added here. This is basically a comparison chart. So comparing him versus other trainers, his service versus others. Just nice and clean, easy chart right here. Compare, does the job really well. Then here we got him. So about us section, about who he is, his experience in the game, his commitment. Great photo of him right here. Branding is on point, dark theme with this neon green, just does the job right here. And then he's got even more reviews and testimonials. Here we got a bunch of text reviews, and a lot of them are very long, so I decided to do it, in columns of 3. He just scrolls down, take your time, read it as you like. Then here we got a scroll section here, adding just more benefits, more features, just making his page stand out even more, just really making it pop. And then we got a fact section. So fact is really important to qualify people, qualify leads, prospects. You want to make sure the right people are getting on calls with you. It's as much about them as it is about you. And you want to just really get them the information they need. So you're not going to waste anybody's time. Nobody who shouldn't be booking calls with you is going to book a call with you. So the fact is super important. He's got 5 questions here. It's a good number, really. I wouldn't go more than 6 or 7. And then final CTA here with, again, the benefit ticker right here again as well. Very nice and clean. This page, honestly, just does the job for coaches and personal trainers. If you're interested in getting a page done like this, let me know, book a call with me, and let's chat.